Hello, my name is Miles Sang and welcome to my Edpuzzle. And I'm gonna teach you how to do the cube of binomials. And so what we're gonna learn first is the square of a binomial. So what you do first is as in the example it says x plus 4 squared. So what you do first is you square the first term, x squared, then you multiply the two terms, like an example, 2x by 4, which becomes 8x. Third, and the last one, square the last term by 4 times 4, which becomes 16. So the answer to finally get is x squared plus 8 plus 16. So the second one that we're going to learn, I think it's the easiest one here, it's called sum and difference between two terms. So the example now here is x plus 5 multiplied by x subtract by 5. So first the square the two terms, x squared, right? Then since it's x plus 5 minus 5, so there will be nothing there, right? So then you cancel out. So and then multiply the two terms, x multiplied by minus 5, which it becomes minus 25. So what you should do is x squared minus 25. So that's the final answer. And it's always like that, and there are no other things. For the third one, we're going to learn about cube of binomials. Oh, the example now it's x plus 5 cubed. First you cube the term x, so it becomes x cubed. Then you multiply 5 by 3, which is 15, then add a x squared. Don't forget that, that's really important. And then third, you square 5, which is 25, then you multiply by 3 since it's a cube, so it becomes 75 with x. Yeah, you should add x too, so it's 75x. Last, you square 5, and you cube 5, which is 125. There's also second example is when you subtract x, not adding it like the thing that just now. First you cube the first term, like the first one too, so it becomes x cubed. Then you multiply minus 6 by 3, which it becomes minus 18, and you should also add the x squared that we just did, which becomes minus x squared minus 18x squared. Third, you square 6, which becomes 36. Then multiply it by 3 because it's a cube, so it becomes 108x. Last, you cube minus 6, which is minus 216. So the answer is x cubed minus 18x squared and plus 108x. Then you lastly subtract 216 from it. For the last one, there's the square of a trinomial. Finally, so there's the example x plus y plus z squared. First, you square all the item for the terms, so it is x squared, y squared plus z squared. Then you combine all the terms available, so it's xy, xz, and yz. Last, you multiply what you combine by 2. So it's 2xy, 2xz, and 2yz. So the answer that you should get is x squared, y squared, and z squared. Plus 2xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. Yes, so this is the last one finally. And thank you for you guys all listening for my Edpuzzle, and I hope you learned something. Even though I'm not perfect, thank you for listening for this. And if you want to learn more, go to other Edpuzzles of mine. If I got something wrong, please email me. And thank you for listening. I was Miles Sang, and I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you.